20 years of 100% collection on all of my accounts, financing accounts, more income with less clients, with less sales, passive income coming in month after month, and continual interest. So I'm Scott Johnson again, and I am excited to teach you those things. There are 3 key things that you need to understand in order to be able to have the same benefit. 1, you need to understand what account rollover is. This will help you out with your collections. Number 2, there is a way to bypass merchant services and not use credit cards and not pay the fees. Number 3, there is a way for you to be able to finance your clients yourself, be able to earn all the interest yourself, and it's very, very simple. And I want you to be able to learn this for yourself and be able to keep all that profit.